Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
Hello, Lindu.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I hope I'm audible. And we have 30 participants right now. I can see Nidhi ma'am's thumbs up, and I can see Maitri ma'am's thumbs up. So, okay, quick thumbs up. Yes, Shikha ma'am, Divya ma'am, and many more. So yes, we will be starting the session very soon. I'm just waiting for Principal ma'am to join the session, and then we just move ahead with the session today.
Your voice is very low today, Samrat.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I've not connected not connected my headphone. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Now, is it audible now?
Not very clearly, but थोड़ा धीमे आवाज आ रहा है एकदम.
अभी आया मैम अभी? हेलो.
नहीं, थोड़ा बड़ा और
बड़ा.
हाँ, या और नजदीक आओ.
मैम वी कैन हियर क्लियरली. अभी हम लोग को तेज सुनाई दे रही है.
अनुभूति मैम अभी शायद से
हमें अभी हमको तेज सुनाई दे रही है.
मैडम आ रहा है आवाज? क्लियर आ रहा है.
You are audible, sir. I'm not connected.
Okay.
Same here. Even I did not connect when I was talking to the participants.
That is Zoom fatigue, I guess.
मैंने भी कनेक्ट नहीं किया और मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, फिर बाद में मुझे लगा कि मैं कनेक्ट नहीं किया. ओके, सो आवाज आ रही है. सो yes, evaluation form submitted. So few quick things which I just wanted to ask. Everybody, I believe you must have submitted your quiz, which is of 20 marks, which is already submitted. किसी एक ने question उठाया था, तो फिर अगर वो answers का wrong है, तो you get the marks for it. Don't worry about it. Secondly, in the evaluation part, mind maps are submitted. Even if you're facing problems related to submission, आप अगर mobile पे बना रहे हैं, you give me a screenshot of it. You just post the screenshot on Edmodo. Don't post it on WhatsApp. Just post it on Edmodo, and that's quite enough for us. Secondly, for summative assessment, the videos which you're making, you can post it again on Edmodo. Send the link on Edmodo. WhatsApp पे भेज रहे, then do it is okay, but do submit it over there. Evaluation form, that is a feedback form which does not have any name. So of course you must have submitted that. So that's
you confirmed with the feedback committee.
हाँ मैम, उसमें ना नाम नहीं चाहिए.
Okay. ठीक है.
हाँ, मैंने चेक किया था, तो फिर नाम नहीं चाहिए, तो इसलिए मैंने नाम नहीं डाला है. So that is one thing which I wanted to say. So I believe that you must have submitted your feedback, and you guys must have submitted your assignment. These two things are submitted by you.
Okay, feedback has not been submitted.
सर फीडबैक दिया है आपने अभी?
हाँ, मैंने ना लिंक भेजा हुआ है, उसके अंदर है ना इवैल्यूएशन फॉर्म करके लिंक आया रहेगा. एक्चुअली बहुत सारे चैटबॉट में बहुत सारी चीजें खुल रही थी ना, इसके लिए उसमें दिख नहीं रहा होगा. मैं वापस से एक बार चैट में ना लैपटॉप से चैट कर रहा था एज वेल एज फोन से. सो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि लैपटॉप से मैंने पोस्ट तो कर दिया, बट फोन दिख नहीं रहा होगा. सो मैं वापस आज मैं वापस नहीं दिख रहा ना,
लैपटॉप आई मीन फोन में.
Sir, it is there on Edmodo. Already there on Edmodo.
Okay, it is there on Edmodo. Then you can
Edmodo is available.
Sir, can
okay,
you on WhatsApp also?
I would suggest Mamta ma'am Edmodo अभी. अब Edmodo use करना पड़ेगा आपको learning management system में.
How many did not submit the video PPT? Video
I guess principal ma'am is about to join, तो मैं उनको admit कर रहा हूँ.
Video feedback you are talking about? Nah, not video feedback. PPT. मेरा
Nandini ma'am, principal ma'am. I'm adding principal ma'am.
Yeah, add.
Right now. So almost all the participants are joining one by one.
Yeah, connecting to audio आ रहा है
ma'am is being added, but her video and
connecting to audio आ रहा है और मैम नहीं दिख रहे.
शायद से दिख नहीं रहा है. Connecting to audio, yes. आया. Principal ma'am is getting added. उनका video mode on नहीं है. So I guess बहुत सारे participants add हो गए हैं. I request the participants right now to switch off their video. Once we start the event, they can switch on the video. As in once we start with the thing. अभी फिलहाल switch off mode पे रहेगा, चलेगा. So you can just keep it on switch off, so the connectivity becomes easy in admitting the part. Video of Nandini ma'am
कर दिया।
Submitted. Okay.
कर दिया।
Yes, Divya ma'am submitted, so don't worry about it. I think मैम के यहाँ से कनेक्शन हुआ है कि नहीं, वो दिख नहीं रहा है। मैम को मैं वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट भेजता हूँ, आज टू स्टार्ट वीडियो। सो
कनेक्टिंग ऑडियो ही आ रहा है उनका।
हाँ, उनका वीडियो कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ है, तो फिर मे बी बैंडविड्थ।
मैंने भेजा मैसेज, बट शायद पढ़ा नहीं है उन्होंने।
नेवर माइंड, विल जस्ट वर्क। एक बार कॉल कर सकते हैं क्या मैम? तो कॉल कर दीजिए कि उनको लॉग आउट करके लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा। So I guess audibility is there. Session is over. Everybody have submitted their homework. I can see mind maps. Lots of good mind maps were there.
मैम कनेक्ट क्यों नहीं हो पा रहे?
A message I will start the video later. So I could see mind map made by the teachers, which was very nice and very innovative. And few participants could not submit the assignment, so there's no hard and fast rule. You just submitted today. कल नहीं किया तो आपको लेट मार्क करेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हम चेक कर रहे हैं। आप of course it is up to you. Submit it. Make sure that everything is submitted, because वो जो rubrics है उसमें absent नहीं दिखना चाहिए। So वो चीज just.
I have a question.
Feedback. This I can't see the feedback one.
I didn't get it. What?
Sir, I have a question. Can I?
ममता मैम और अनुभूति मैम। यस, ममता मैम आप पूछिए, फिर अनुभूति मैम आपका फीडबैक वाला चीज हम लेते हैं। हाँ ममता मैम।
Sir, how we can access already existing designed or pattern for mind map? Because जब मैं कल
access, अच्छा lucid map पे जाएंगे ना, तो there is an option जहाँ पे you can just select the videos which are already existing, the charts which are already existing there. So that is just a rough chart. आप the moment you log in, create पे click करेंगे, they will give you an option, existing charts, and then
for that they want to subscribe.
No, like on Lucid charts, you don't require subscription. If you want very high-end charts, maps. So high-end maps मतलब बहुत ही जिसमें graphs हो and जिसके अंदर images and infographics use करना हो, that time they will require subscription. Basic charts के लिए नहीं लगेगा.
Okay.
Please explore it and just go through it. You will get it. Okay. So I guess
I have already posted my assignment, but I will again try.
You have to see, of course, every day you have to try all the apps. जो भी चीजें हो रही, जो भी चीजें कराई गई है, you just go through each and every app and try to incorporate that in your syllabi. So it will be easy for you. The moment you incorporate that, it will be very easy for you to move ahead. And practice होती रहेगी जितनी ज़्यादा, उतना ज़्यादा आप सीख पाएंगे. Because there are lots of things जिसको सीखने में मुझे बहुत time लग गया, and then I could just do it. And still sometimes we get stuck.
From tomorrow, anyways, we don't have any sessions. So I think somewhere we will get 1 or 2 hours definitely for ourselves. We can always practice things. So I think keep practicing. Otherwise, once you lose touch with it, then you'll again start wondering how to come back to it. Like.
Yes, ma'am.
I have made it a point to post at least one video of 4 to 5 minutes every day now.
Please do. That is the only way. Yes, that is the only way you can actually go through. And that is what I did in the lockdown period also, very honestly. Of course, once this FDP started, I couldn't do anything, workshop rather. But then, I think I'll get back now.
Since the day before yesterday, I've already posted 3.
Very good. I think all of y'all will also do the same.
I can't see the feedback form actually. That is.
Ma'am, we will send it again. Edmodo पे दिया हुआ है.
वहीं पे
WhatsApp पे नहीं है. WhatsApp पे नहीं.
On Edmodo only I was trying, but it's okay. I'll just check here.
नंदिनी मैम, प्रिंसिपल मैम को अगर हम कॉल कर सके, बिकॉज उनका वीडियो एक्सेसिबल नहीं आ रहा है और उनका ऑडियो भी एक्सेसिबल नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay. So I'll ask her to join in again.
Yes, please ask her to join in again. I have a question from Jinal ma'am. How to teach accounts, finance and practical sums. So now what you can do, we have maths teacher right here with us. We have a Rajeshri ma'am. So, Bhavani ma'am, आप वो यहाँ पर? Hello. Rajeshri ma'am. Hello. So we have teachers who do teach practical subjects. So on Edmodo or on any other medium, see, gamification tools are your evaluation tools. So of course over there you can use these things. You can create maps or mind map for your theoretical aspect. That is the theory chapter. Ha, ma'am.
She's not answering, I guess.
So, ma'am,
Is there?
Huh?
No.
You're not getting any notifications on screen because I see her full name. So that means I feel she's connected.
But her video is not connected. I've asked her to start the video and audio is also not connected.
Yes,
so she needs to reconnect. Okay,
नहीं फोन नहीं उठा रहे और मैसेज तो देखा नहीं है उन्होंने जो मैंने डाला है।
को ना अनन को रिमूव करके वापस से ऐड करता हूं।
हाँ
ओके
अरे शुभमला बोलवा जरा ते मला बोलायचंय तर ते कनेक्ट नाही होत आहे।
हेलो मैडम राजश्री मैडम
हाँ we can hear you we can hear you हाँ very clearly।
एक क्वेश्चन आया है कि प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट्स कैसे पढ़ा सकते हैं, तो जरा इसका आंसर दीजिएगा ना। ये क्वेश्चन है जीनल मैम का।
अच्छा, प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट में आपको रिवीजन के लिए ज्यादा तो आईसीटी टूल्स काम में आते हैं, रिवीजन पार्ट के लिए। So first of all, you will have to explain with the chalk and talk method. And
ma'am
then
is on with the video.
She's on with the video.
Yeah, she's
right?
on with the video. Yeah, I can see her.
and
unmute करना पड़ेगा। हाँ।
Unmute किया मैंने, unmute किया। ऑडियो वीडियो दोनों चालू है। मैम आपको आवाज आ रही है हमारी?
हाँ आ रही है।
ओके तो आप कनेक्टेड हैं, आपका ऑडियो कनेक्टेड है बट कम आ रहा है। तो
ऑडियो कम आ रहा है।
हाँ, आप सेल फोन से हैं?
हाँ।
अच्छा, सेल फोन से कनेक्टेड हो।
Jinal ma'am, can I answer this question? There is an Amrita University ka laboratory which helps you to teach practical subjects online also. Just search that web.
Jinal ma'am, I hope we answered your question. So we will move ahead with this session once ma'am joins again. Okay. नंदिनी मैम मुझे बोलिएगा कब स्टार्ट करना है?
मुझे मैम दिख नहीं रहे। Ma'am is again offline? No.
No, she's there.
हाँ.
She's there.
Yeah.
So
okay, we'll start then.
Start.
हाँ.
मैम बोले, मैम स्टार्ट करें?
Start.
Yeah, you can start. Yeah.
Okay.
So a very pleasant afternoon to the elite gathering. On behalf of Faculty Development Center of K.A. Shroff College, I extend a hearty welcome to everyone present here on this national webinar on designing and developing flipped classroom and e-learning instruction. Education is something perceived as a sector which is resistant to change. While at the same time, it faces a crisis of productivity and efficiency. Innovation is something which could help to improve the quality of education. And yes, in this disruptive time, education technology has continued to accelerate the digital economy rapidly, making the digital skills key for almost everyone. It considers how far digital divide of education has come right now. Looking at the need of the teachers of today, here are a few points which we should ponder upon. We should look into the openness of lessons which we are into, thinking outside the classroom box, getting personal in terms of connecting with students, tapping into students' digital expertise, getting real with projects which are given, helping students to be teachers and helping teachers to be students, measuring what matters, and yes, giving power to the students. Not only connecting with the students, but also connecting with families. These are few things which we need to look into in this 21st century of digital education. In this national webinar on designing and developing flipped classroom, there were 40 participants who were selected from different parts of India, from Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Daman and Diu, Silvas, Delhi, Delhi, Haryana, Maharashtra. There were 16 participants out of Maharashtra, 10 out of Mumbai, and 14 of Mumbai. This was done by a systematic sampling method. So this is the figure which we could get through all the participants who applied. In this FDP, the participants were given hands-on training on classroom management tools such as Edmodo, gamification tools such as Jeopardy and Kahoot. We gave them information about MOOC platforms and Udemy as a platform for MOOC, Screencast-O-Matic for screen recording, VoiceOver with Microsoft PPT for PPT making with VoiceOver, mind mapping in learning innovation cycle, and resolving all their doubts in this entire session which we did. So the entire session, the entire FDP, which was for almost 6 days, we completed and we tried to resolve all the doubts, questions raised by the participants. This is a small introductory part, and now, yes, Nandini.
They also have gone on YouTube and opened their channels.
Yes, yes.
And
so
sent links to us. Yeah, that is.
Yes, this was something new that all the participants, they just moved ahead in terms of opening up their own YouTube channel and coming up with new videos and uploading the videos on that channel. They were also assessed with tasks given to them on each and every tool every day. So we made them work for all the tools every day, and they had to submit it by the end of the day. And they were asked, they were assessed at the end with a summative quiz and a summative video making, which is there at the end. And on the basis of this, the participants who have completed the entire rubrics will be awarded with certificate of completion of this entire FDP and participation, of course. And the participant who could not submit, or maybe who has attended everything, but maybe left with rubrics, will be given a mail. And after that, if again they don't submit, they won't be given certificate of completion. So yes, it has been already mailed to them. Yes.
Some of them had net issues and some laptop issues. So, you know, they would complete the rubrics by tomorrow. Yes.
They would be doing it later. So this was the small brief about what we did in this entire 7 days. So now moving ahead with this validatory function, validatory session, I would request few of the participants to speak or give us the feedback about the entire session, how they enjoyed, and what all things we need to improve as the organizer, and what all things they feel like there should be done in the upcoming sessions which we take. So over to the participants. I request one by one the participants to speak about the sessions.
Yeah, please open up your videos when you'll speak up.
Yes, please. So,
Samrat sir, I would like to tell something.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Sir, ये program बहुत ही अच्छा था. I would like to say 2 lines of the Ram Avatar Tyagi 1 point. हिंदी की लाइनें हैं सर. आप लोगों ने जो किया है उसके लिए मन समर्पित, तन समर्पित और ये जीवन समर्पित. चाहता हूँ FDP को कुछ और दूं. तो आपके लिए, नंदिनी मैडम के लिए, this is a few lines. I could little changes over there. So you people work hard. That is, look over there. Whatever the sessions was going over there, they are very good, very interesting. And I would like to say that even my 11-year-old child also saying this is a very good, and the Samrat sir is very good teacher.
Thank you so much. Thank
So
you.
thanks a
Anybody
lot,
else?
Nandini ma'am and Mr. Samrat sir, and especially thanks to the principal ma'am who provide this opportunity to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So yes, so I can see people applauding with a clap on their screen. So that's very nice. So any other participant who would like to give feedback? Yes.
I would like to say something, sir.
Yes.
Nidhi ma'am, yes.
Hello.
Please.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Yes. Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to say thanks to the KEA Shroff College and the principal ma'am, Samrat sir, Nandini ma'am, for conducting such a wonderful webinar, which is actually the need of an hour right now in this current situation. These e-learning tools are very required for all the teachers. And आपका जो session था, it was really wonderful. I have learned so many things and enjoyed the sessions, all the sessions thoroughly. Both Samrat sir and Nandini ma'am, I would like to say that you both are not only just wonderful resource person, but also wonderful human beings. You both have actually encouraged me for doing such, for using all these things. And actually in this current situation where I was I was on the verge of getting frustrated by attending this webinar. Now I am full of energy and positivity thanks to both of you. So thank you very much. I would like to add some more few things that आपका जो teaching method था, that was very good. Not only that, but the way you have coordinated, the way you have answered all the question, even if it was a very silly question, आपने बहुत ही patiently handle किया, answer किया. That was wonderful. And doing all these things, you have completed all the sessions on time. It was not even stressed for one day. So that was also wonderful. You have covered everything on time, on schedule. So that was wonderful. And I would suggest only one thing. Keep doing such webinars. And if you are going to do some webinars on some other tools, please invite me and let me join it again. This is a memorable experience for me. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Very nice, very nice. So we have participants
Can I
from...
say something?
Samrat.
Hello.
Can I say something? Please tell the people who are giving the feedback to give their name and from which college, which city they are.
Okay. So we have participants
from...
I
would like to say something.
अनुभूति मैम आपकी आवाज आ रही है एक मिनट मैं अनुभूति मैम मैं आपको अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ एक सेकंड कहाँ गए आप ये रहा आप बोलिए हाँ
Yes, I would especially like to say this, that in our college we keep on, I am from the KEA Shroff College only, Mumbai, for all the others to know. In our college we've been having these kinds of FDPs organized quite often, but many times we were not able to participate in that due to like a number of lectures and the other things. I was looking forward to such a thing during this period, because now it was possible for me to full-fledgedly with the 100% time given to this, I was able to attend, and it was really very, very fruitful. I had missed out this opportunity sometime back when you had taken this thing up in the college, but learned many things. A few things I had picked up in the previous FDP in the college, but had missed out on many things. And so this FDP has really helped improving, and you can say like being able to continue with what we were doing before. So very well managed, very well organized FDP, and I must say that you both were very approachable. Otherwise also you are quite approachable, for at least for me, but the thing is that for anybody, everybody, any kind of questions were answered in such a way that we never felt that whether we should ask this or not, is it too petty a question? Nothing like that. So I think for a student, such teachers are definitely very much required, that you don't feel any kind of fear asking any kind of questions. So that is the best thing about this. And then time management, as rightly said by Nidhi ma'am, that everything was, nothing was stretched beyond point, and then too, everything was completed on time. So this is something very, very good, which I always lack. So this is something I would like to appreciate a lot. Thank you. Thanks for this.
That's nice. That's nice. So we have two hands up to give the feedback. So we start with Sachin sir. Sachin
yes, sir.
sir, आपका hands up था. तो आप और
Yes, sir.
Rutul ma'am and हाँ sir.
Yes, sir. Surely. Myself, Dr. Sachin Narkade. I am working over at Swaminarayan Pharmacy College in Vapi only. So I'm giving feedback on this my first webinar. Okay, so first time I'm attending such interactive webinar. In that I learn a lot from both from your side. So first I'm going to thanks the team of KES Shroff College, then Lily madam, that Samrat sir is Nandini madam. All of you done a very great job for us. And first time what we learn, that gamification tool, then of flipped classroom. I doesn't know about of the flipped classroom, and first time we made the flipped classroom. Then gamification tool, that we doesn't know about of that, all the website that you give us to give the information. Nandini madam, what you told that that is of YouTube creation. My first video I uploaded on the YouTube, but it is great experience for me. So thank you so much for doing of such giving of such information to us, and a very interactive session what we are attended, and it is a nice experience for us. Thank you so much, और ऐसे ही आगे करते रहो और हमें भी information देते रहो sir. Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. Thank you Lily ma'am. Thank you Nandini ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks. So we have lots of hands up right here. We have, I guess, Rupal ma'am and Rupal ma'am. Is this audible? We have participants out of, okay.
Should I? Can I stay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
okay. A very good afternoon, ma'am, to you. Very, very good afternoon to everyone there. Firstly, thank you, Samrat sir, for giving this opportunity. Ma'am, I'm Rupal Shroff from Thakur College of Science and Commerce. And I would really like to congratulate KES College for organizing this unique FDP. Been through refreshers, orientations, and lots of FDPs. But this was really unique because I found it very enriching. All colleges have some or the other LMS program in place, and everybody uses some or the other thing. But what I learned here is not LMS, it is Student Engagement Program. Honestly, after so many years and getting into so many PPTs, videos and stuff like that, I think that what the Student Engagement Program I learned here is going to be something which connects me to the students, keeps them in class, and gets their attention completely. Particularly, I refer this to Jeopardy Labs, the Kahoot, of course, with all the mind mapping and lucid charts. And the most important thing is, ma'am, that I would really want to appreciate Nandini ma'am for her very prompt answers to every query. Before the query could become a problem to any participant, she had a solution in place. I mean, that was something really quick considering the time that she was on the WhatsApp answering all of us.
Okay, now let me say something here, and I'm accused at home that I'm continuously on WhatsApp.
I can understand. Yes, you were. You were on WhatsApp all the while. But it was really a very good experience making your YouTube video, doing a PPT, and making all sorts of games this time. I found it really very, very, very enriching this time. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. So we have Viji ma'am, who's from Tamil Nadu, even she, and then Shalini ma'am is there. So we have lots of hand raised. So we will take a couple of feedback.
Shall I start, Samrat?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all. This is Vijaya from Nehru Arts and Science College, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. We had great time during the period of our webinar. I hope all the participants will agree to this point. And I would like to say in a single statement that
this webinar thrown a fire on the crowd in terms of learning the innovative tools. So I hope this fire will expand and spread all over the teaching fraternity and the higher education system. Really, the sessions were well organized. Samrat,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
was real. It was a real experience. That means
Thank you
the
so much.
hands-on experience in all the current trend, innovative tools in the education. And Nandini ma'am, I started my new channel. The whole credit goes to you, actually. And my friends are started posting their comments on my channel. It was a great experience for me. Now I started working only on that. I'm just preparing their scripts and working on it. It's really awesome. And you both are star of the program. So very thanks for the opportunity. Bhushan ma'am, thank you so much for having this kind of program in our organization and for giving us the opportunity for all the participants. On behalf of all the participants, I'd like to say sincere and heartfelt thanks to the entire team of KS of College. Thank you so much.
So thank you, Vijaya ma'am. We have participants from outside Maharashtra also, and I guess Surbhi ma'am and Shalini ma'am, they have raised their hand, and Ratna ma'am is also there. There are lots of participants who want to speak. So yes, over to you, Surbhi ma'am, and then we take Shalini ma'am and Ratna ma'am and
Thank you,
Divya
sir.
ma'am.
Thank
Divya
you,
ma'am, I
sir,
guess your thumbs
for
up is
giving me the opportunity. Good afternoon, everyone. Very good afternoon to Principal Ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank KES Shroff College and for organizing these type of webinar and FDP, in which we have learned a big list of things like screen, Customatic, YouTube channel creation, Edmedo class, and I have a very long list. And we enjoyed a lot. Actually, we enjoyed a lot by learning all these things. And after the overall webinar, we are having a lot of tools to use and implement in our teaching learning activities. Like my students are very thankful that wow, ma'am, you created your own channel. So I would like to convey their thanks to the credit goes to you, actually, you all, Samrat sir and Nandini ma'am. And this is very well coordinated, like if Samrat sir is sharing screen and he is talking with us, then at the same time Nandini ma'am was very busy to handling all the queries and all the concerns of all the participants. So overall, I would like to say that this session was very well coordinated and well designed. And after completion of the session, we all get mail from like formative assessment what we have to do today, and we enjoyed the student life also in this previous 4 and 5 days. So thanks to you, sir. Actually, it was a little bit difficult to me. Like my college is also going on, and today in my college there are PTM. So, but this is one of the thing of interest. So I enjoyed this. So at last, I would I would like to thank Bhushan ma'am and KES Shroff College and the whole team, like Samrat sir and Nandini ma'am, to provide such kind of webinar. Thank you so much.
You are from which college, ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm Dr. Surbhi Shankar from Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, Dwarka, New Delhi.
Okay.
It's under GGS IPU, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University.
I know. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome.
Can I proceed?
Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Go ahead. Go ahead, ma'am.
I am Shalini Shashidharan from NG Acharya and DK Marathi College. I think all rest of the participants have more or less covered whatever I wanted to say. So there's no much point in repetition. Nevertheless,
Right.
My heartfelt gratitude to KS College, KS Shroff College, and Lily Bhushan ma'am, and the faculties, Nandini ma'am and Samrat sir, for putting in so much effort and planning the entire program so well. I would like to say that the practical aspect is what gives us confidence and the belief that we can carry it forward and implement it wherever we are going, you know. So I would like to quote Confucius here. As he said, I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, and I do and I understand. So really,
Wonderful.
I'm very grateful, you know, to that you provided the hands-on training and cleared the doubts promptly. So thank you very much.
Well said. Thank you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. Yes.
A very good afternoon to respected principal ma'am, resource persons and all dear participants. In each and every session, I just recalled one thing which principal ma'am has said on the very first day. She said that there is a flood of webinars being conducted everywhere. Yes, we can see it's there. WhatsApp, every day we are finding new webinars, but this is different. As you said, this is really different. The reason is that just because the autonomy the college gives to the resource person, and this shows the leadership of you, principal ma'am. This shows the leadership quality of yours, how you manage the staff over there. The knowledge of the resource person. Here I would like to add one thing: the resource person, young and energetic resource person. We hardly see, and it is a source of motivation for us, where we can keep on exploring, keep on working, and there is no end to gain knowledge. Another thing is that actually I am from Integral University, Lucknow. So I used to go very often. I used to go to Delhi, and that I have to take CL also, and then register myself to any of the seminar, conference, or workshop. I go to Aligarh Muslim University to get such quality things, and it was my luck that I got selected in this thing through a systematic random sampling, as sir was saying. So that was benefit to me. Even I have attended many things like this IIT FDP of IIT Kanpur, but it was not that interesting, or we can say वो spark नहीं था. But in this FDP, we didn't felt bored at any point of time. Our energy levels were very high. We were never down. And this program, throughout this program, it maintained our spirit. So each and everything was explained so beautifully by the resource person. And one thing I would like to say, when you guys are doing so much for us, तो यहाँ पर तो हमारी एक गुरु दक्षिणा बनती है कि जैसे नंदिनी मैम ने एक आइडिया दिया. Now I'll be uploading daily one video of mine at YouTube, 5 minutes का, 10 minutes का, and though we are being assigned many tasks, like मुझे टास्क मिला है कॉलेज में नेट की प्रिपरेशन का, तो it is a wonderful opportunity for me, so I'll be doing that. So thanks to Nandini ma'am and Samrat sir, and you guys have a long way to go. I wish all the best. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. You are from which university?
Integral University, Lucknow.
Okay. And I am from Lucknow, but I have not heard this name. I left Lucknow 30 years back, but I still go.
Okay, this university I think is 13 years old. One more thing, ma'am, I want to say. I am a teacher educator.
Okay.
We used to teach के कैसे पढ़ाना है, क्या है. There are numerous skills.
Yeah. So you are from a B.Ed college.
Yeah, B.Ed college.
Okay. Then you have much scope. Yeah.
The thing is that कि यहाँ पर हमें every FDP whatever we are attending, हमें कुछ ना कुछ flaw दिख जाता है जो resource person है. Because we used to see from that angle कि हाँ, but these resource persons, they are flawless.
Great. Thank you
And
so
the
much.
coordination they were having and the things they have managed, really, it's awesome.
Nice to hear. Great to hear. Thank you.
Ma'am, you are having gems
Yes, yes,
at your
yes.
college.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Samrat, you're on mute mode. Unmute yourself.
I'm so sorry. Vinay sir is there with hands up. So Vinay sir, if you want to speak, you can just unmute yourself, or if anybody wants to speak, can unmute themselves, because यहाँ से मुझे फिर समझ नहीं आएगा. So आपको कुछ बोलना है क्या? आपका हाथ.
Hello.
Hello, किसका आवाज आ रहा है वो पता नहीं चल रहा.
Yeah, this is Maitri here.
Maitri, yes, got it. Maitri, okay.
Hello, sir.
Maitri.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Samrat sir and the ma'am, principal
Yes,
ma'am.
go
Hello.
ahead, ma'am.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Myself, Mary Mato. I am from Silvassa, Devkiba College, Mumbai University.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hello.
many of the things has already been said by other participants.
You're right. Yeah.
Maitri ma'am, 1 minute.
I
Please
just want
excuse me. 1 minute, ma'am. Samrat, Deshpande ma'am wants to join in. She's not getting a connection. Just open her up. Yeah, continue.
Okay, I'll just check it.
Sorry. Please
Yes.
continue.
Okay, it's okay. So most of the things has already been mentioned by other participants. I just want to add two things. First is that the sessions were so good that it encouraged us to complete our assignments anyhow by doing trial and error methods, exploring things. So one thing is that, and another thing is that along with the resource persons, the participants were also very good, and they also helped us in WhatsApp group anywhere whenever we stuck. So not only the resource person, but the participants also helped us. So I would like to thank participants all.
Great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ratna ma'am, and then Vinay sir, and then maybe we end with this. Ratna ma'am.
Okay. Should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon,
Yes, you've been waiting from long.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Lily ma'am.
Good afternoon.
And Nandini ma'am and Samrat sir. And all my friends here. It has been real pleasure to be with you all here. And the most interesting part was the interactive one. And the way you responded. Because if I'm attending many webinars, but never got this interaction from the people. They won't reply your answer. You just raise your hand and keep on sitting. Nobody's going to answer. But this one is the best. And most of the thing which I wanted to say, everybody has already said.
Okay,
and
okay.
Ma'am, please bear for that video. I tried my best because for us, starting these things are new.
Right.
Okay. Keep trying, ma'am. And I'm there in the group.
Devkiba College, Silvassa.
Okay.
And HOD Zoology Department, Ratna Yadav.
Okay, good.
Okay. Thank you, Samrat sir, Nandini ma'am, and Lily
Thank you,
ma'am
ma'am.
for organizing and conducting this good program.
Most welcome,
Really had
always.
fun. And we learned a lot in fun. The best
good.
thing is that we try to teach students by fun, and we got it by fun only. Thank you.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Vinay.
Hello.
Vinay, yes, Mansi. Yes.
Hello, everyone. This
we
is Bhavna, from LS Raija College of Arts and Commerce.
Okay.
Everybody has already given a lot of feedback, and the only thing that I would like to add on that is that the resource persons had really tried and they pushed us to do the task, and that was the most important thing, to get it done rather than just teaching. It was very important that they made us do the things, and that motivated us more and more to complete the assignments and come out of our comfort zones somewhere where we were and to try new things. So that is one of the most wonderful thing about the resource person. So thank you to the entire college management and everyone in the college for organizing this.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. We have Vinay Nayak. Is this audible to you? Your
Yes.
hand is up. So
Yes. May I speak?
Vinaya ma'am, one
Yes,
minute.
Vinaya Naik.
In the chat box, Prasad sir
Yes.
has put up a reaction
Message,
over there.
yeah.
Message. Maybe we can read it in some time. Okay. Yes,
Nandini
Vinaya ma'am.
madam, you can read the message. I'll wait in that case.
Okay, okay, one
Hello.
minute, ma'am. Prasad sir wants to pass on this message to us. He says, I would like to thank KES Shroff College for organizing a wonderful national level FDP program during this lockdown period. The resource persons, that is Samrat sir and me, and the principal, respected principal Bhushan ma'am, for having such a talented staff. I learned many tools for e-teaching, flipped classroom. All the sessions were very useful, more informative, especially the facilitator for responding and solving the queries and issues throughout the day. That is
Great.
it. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Yes,
Yes,
over to
Vinaya
you,
ma'am.
Vinaya.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Vinaya Naik. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah.
Hello.
Am I audible, everybody?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
you're audible. Yes, yes.
Hello, everybody. I am Dr. Vinay Naik from Patkar Vade College. And it's a great initiative from KE Shroff College. And I would like to thank Principal Madam, management, and all the resource persons, Nandini Madam and Samrat Sir. I have learned a lot. At this need of the hour, I actually was thinking, how I can do self-development for myself. And I think KS Shroff College has done a very good job and initiative by conducting such a great FDP year. Because I think now we all aware we have to stay back at home, we can't go out, this and that, we understand. But then when we talk about a self-development and when we have an opportunity and time, so why not go ahead with in that case? So I think KS Shroff College has done a wonderful job. Principal Madam, Nandini Madam, and Samrat Sir, wonderful job. Seriously, I really liked it. Thank you very much, everybody. That's it. I
Thank
think
you.
other things been by everybody. Thank you, Madam.
Is this audible? Nandini ma'am?
Yeah, sir. You're audible.
Yes, yes, you're audible. Hello.
Okay.
Samrat sir, go
So
ahead.
thank you so much, participants. And let us move ahead. Yes, yes. So, yes, we just read the message on the chat pod. You can just mention the message on chat pod. Sarvanandan Nadar sir, he has mentioned a message in the chat pod, and for sure I'm going to post that message I'm going to just put it in my records and I'm going to forward it on Edmodo, the same thing. We move ahead with the session. So thank you, participants, for being the part of this session. Now, I request Principal Ma'am to speak few words on this FDP, and then we close.
Okay. Thank you,
Hello.
Samrat. Very wonderful. Good afternoon to all the participants who were a part of this FDP. I would rather say don't call it a webinar, because now I think webinar is becoming a cliche. Every second there is a webinar being organized, and you better stick to the word FDP or workshop. And I'm extremely happy to know that all the participants have tremendously benefited for this workshop or FDP. And definitely, yes, these are two of my gems in the college who have disseminated this knowledge to you all. And please go and disseminate further in your college, teach more. You will get more confident, and you will have a feeling of being elated when you will be teaching others. And yesterday I have attended a webinar on digital education where we have 250 principals. And friends, things are going to be very difficult, very different. I should not say difficult, though I use the word scary also, but there is going to be a tremendous shift in the education pedagogy, and we need to empower ourselves digitally. And you have taken this step forward. It is very nice that you have done it. And indeed, for the review which I got, I am very satisfied that it has been very fruitful and beneficial. Only thing is that you please use it, just don't forget it. And now start making e-content. You have a lot of time, and this is the time where you can enrich yourself. As Professor Anubhuti said, we did organize such workshops earlier, and she could not be a part of it, or she could not register, obviously, because when you have lectures, when you have activities, your concentration is less. And this is the time where you are free, you are at home, you can assign to yourself exclusively, and real learning is taking place. So that is the advantage of this time period. And just now I saw some message that the colleges may not open up before September. So you imagine, please revisit your syllabus and go through each and every chapter, make questions. In my junior college, staff is doing every day when the vice principal is giving them one chapter, chapter number 1, prepare MCQs, prepare PPT, prepare objective. So each day one chapter, every teacher is doing, and they are reporting to me at 9 o'clock in the night what everybody is doing. Entire question paper is there in front of me. So that is the way I think you have a lot of time. I don't think so colleges will open in June. The way things are, I mean, this disease is yet not under control. So please utilize your time, and you have to digitally empower. If you have to, I mean, perform well, and it will give you a lot of satisfaction. It gives you a lot of confidence when you can do things on your own. And all the best. Very happy to get your great reviews. Thank you, Nandini, and thank you, Samrat. Definitely, you are the gems. And Dr. Ambadas Jadhav, thank you so much to you. You put a very nice comment on the principals group, and that has definitely elevated our image. And I passed on your message to my management also. Thank you so much. A principal joining is something great. And last and not the least, I would ask Samrat and Nandini, when are you guys going to teach me? Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.
That was a very, very difficult and wonderful question.
I need exclusive time from you people.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe only we three can get into a webinar now.
Yeah, definitely. I'm a slow learner, let me tell you.
I'm also just the same. I somehow managed it, so we all can, I guess.
No, but you have done a wonderful job. I could make out from the Samrat is of course young. He is new generation teacher,
Yes.
but you have done it so well. That is very appreciable. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
So here we come to the end of this session, and I request Nandini ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
Yeah, I'll quickly complete this formality. I would like to extend my heartfelt thank you to all the participants. I have also messaged ma'am one day saying the group is never silent. They are very active. They are very, very cooperative, and it falls silent only at night because I log out from the net. Yes. So I think you all have been a wonderful set of participants, and we also enjoyed, explaining things to you all, and you all also got us to the level where whatever we wanted to put across, you all made it fruitful for us and for yourselves also. So I'm saying this is not the end. This is just the beginning. Please continue.
Right.
I would like to thank my in-house KES Shroff participants, for being over here. And thank you very much, Samrat, for bringing me to this level that I can at least match along with you to some extent. And I'm able to put forward and teach everyone, with what you can say, this confidence. It has also elevated a lot of my confidence, and I think I can move ahead now in a much swifter manner.
Right.
And definitely thank you, Principal Madam. And I must say, if she doesn't push us ahead, it becomes very difficult for us to reach this platform. So thank you so much for allowing me to attend that one FDP. And she has this one characteristic in her, that she always pushes everyone with equal strength. And it is with that strength that we all move ahead, and we are able to bring ourselves to this platform. So thank you so much, madam. Even if she is unable to attend, she sees to it that we go and attend. So I think that is something which our principal always does and will continue to do. Thank you so much, madam. And
Thank
of
you.
course, our management is visionary management. They have huge foresight and they always encourage us through the principal, and they want us to do many new things, and which we try to keep doing. So on and overall, thank you so much, everyone, for being in this workshop. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So here we end with the session. The certificates for this entire 5 days, 6 days FDP, you will get it online on your email ID, the certificate of completion and certificate of participation. Thank you so much.
Thank you all and all the best.
Thank you. So
We
keep in
sign
touch
off with
on
a thumbs
that.
up.
Yes, keep
Yes,
in
yes,
touch
we-
on the WhatsApp group. Don't log out from there. We'll continue to remain there.
Okay.
Thank
The
you so
thumbs
much.
up, we sign off. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you,
Sign
madam.
off. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Thank
I'm
you, ma'am.
leaving.
Thank you,
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care and
Bye,
stay
everyone.
safe.
Thank
Bye,
you.
madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, Samrat sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
You,
you.
bye.
We'll miss you
Samrat,
both.
these chat thank yous that have come, that also you
Yes, ma'am,
record
I've
and
saved
you
it, I've saved it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Principal Ma'am.
Bye. Take care
Welcome.
and stay
Welcome.
safe. Yeah.
I'm
Thank you,
gonna
ma'am.
miss you
Thank you,
all.
sir.
From tomorrow, I'll have to wonder what to do now. I think I'll
Early,
get back
early
to my
morning, I'm
household
waiting for
work.
the 12 o'clock. No, anyhow, we all to be connected with WhatsApp group, and we used to chat, and we are going to post our day-to-day practice and patients videos on YouTube.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Sure. So
And
I am, yes, ma'am.
no, continue.
Sign off, Karu.
Sign off. Sign off.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you
Okay.
very
Bye.
much.
Bye,
Thank you so
Good
everyone.
day.
Bye, everyone.
Everyone,
Bye.
bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. बोला.
हॅलो,
बोला.
आपण दोघंच आहे.
दोघंच आहे. सही पळाले.
ठीक आहे. बर बर बर. काय विशेष शेवटी सांगितलं?
काय नाही, सगळ्यांनी आपले अभिप्राय व्यक्त केले. बाकी थँक्यू बस.
ओके. आणि व्हिडिओ कधी उद्या अपलोड करायचा आहे का?
हा, उद्या पर्यंत. आणि आज बोलतो सर्टिफिकेट बोलून.
सर्टिफिकेट कधी 2 दिवसात मिळतील का?
मेल वर पाठवतो बोल.
चालेल. व्यवस्थित सगळं ना?
एकदम. चला.
जेवण घ्या आता बोलून.
हा चल.
हो, जेवण झालं माझं. तुम्ही पण जेवण घ्या.
चालेल. बाय.
बाय.